10 seconds. .130, crest into right 5 plus short, into crest left 4 plus. So right 5 plus short, into crest left 4 plus. 70, crest into right 3 tightens and then opens at late crest. So right 3 tightens, then opens at late crest. So drive it out into left 5 over late crest. 60, right 5 short over crest into left 3 plus long uphill. Left 3 long plus uphill. Right 4 over crest, so crest, right 4 long tightens to 3 late. And then downhill into left 4 short.
Just watching my temperature gauges.
80, left 4 short here. Okay. 80, kick into don't cut, left 4 long tightens late. Left 4 long tightens late. And right 4. Right 4 tightens late over crest. Into left 4 short. Into left 4 short. Into crest left 4. And crest right 4 short. 60. So right 4 short over this crest. 60. Big crest, stay right. 40. Small crest into left 3 plus, and then right 3 plus uphill past the junction. So left 3 plus, and then right 3 plus uphill into late 4 tightens late. Sorry, left 4 tightens late. Left 4 tightens late. I go down a gear. Left 4 tightens late, and 60 crest left 3 into crest into right 3 uphill. So left 3 into crest, into right 3 uphill over late crest, and caution, don't cut, left 3 down, 50, don't cut, right 4, and right 3 short over kick. This is right 3 short over kick. 50, left 4 tightens into right 4 plus. Left 4 tightens into right 4 plus, and right 3 plus at late crest. So right 3 plus at late crest, into left 4, into right 6 short through dip. Right 6 short through dip, into left 4 kick, and right 4 into crest left 4 short. So right 4 into crest left 4, and into right 3 plus keep in. Left 4 here, and then right 3 plus keep in. 40, crest into right 4 at junction, into crest left 3 downhill, and left 3 minus into right 3 plus up the hill. So left 3 here, into right 3 plus up the hill, and small crest into left 3 short, into jump left 4 short, which is the jump left 4 short, and crest into right 4 don't cut. So over this crest then right 4 don't cut, and jump right 5 short into caution slippy, left 3 over small kick. Left 3 over small kick into right 4 short, down through dip, into jump, into left 4 short, into jump, into right 4 short, into left 3 plus. So right 4 short, into left 3 plus, into right 3 short, into left 4 plus, and right 3 plus, into left 3 over crest, caution loose. Left 3 over crest, caution loose, and right 4 plus, 50, long left 4, very slippy, bad ruts and mud. So left 4 long, very slippy. Jump and ruts and mud, big crest into right 3 plus downhill. Right 3 plus downhill, into long crest, and right 6 long tightens to 4, slippy. Right 6 long tightens to 4 here, slippy. Into crest, 50, downhill ruts, left 4 over long crest, left 4 here over long crest, and then 100 deep ruts, left 5 short after the ruts, left 5 short after the ruts, and small crest into right 5, and this caution deceptive, left 3 over crest. This is it, left 3 over crest, and left 5 tightens late into crest right 6. Left 5 tightens late into crest right 6, and 70, left 5 short into crest 50, small crest, 50, small crest into right 5 over double crest, right 5 over double crest, into left 6 short, into crest right 4 plus here, through dip into double caution jump, right 3 short over small crest, into caution downhill left 3 loose. That's it. And right 6 tightens to 3 uphill, keep left over crest. So just keep out a little over the crest. Yeah. And right 5 into crest, and right 3 plus short. This is the right 3 plus short, into left 3 don't cut, 60, left 5, 40, left 6 over jump, caution right in the middle,
Say that again.
50, right 6 tightens to 4,
Right 6 tightens to 4.
into left 5 over crest, 100, left 6 over small crest, 170, left 5 plus over long crest, so left 5 plus over long crest, go on, and then 80, right 5 short, and left 5 short don't cut, into right 5 tightens late over long crest, and left 5 plus, this is the right 5 late, and then left 5 plus, and right 6 short, and left 5 slippy, and crest left 3 long, into, so this is the left 3 long, into crest right 3, slippy, 30, crest 40, long crest, and right 6 short, into left 5 short. So right 6 short, into left 5 short, into right 3 plus over kick, into left 6, nice, left 6 up the hill, and then right 6 plus over long crest, 150, crest into left 4 caution kick, left 4 caution kick, downhill into right 5 tightens to 3, right 5 tightens to 3 kick, into left 3 plus, and left 6 over small crest, and crest right 5 tightens to 4 loose, right 5 tightens to 4 loose, into left 4 long, 80, stay left 4 at the junction over the lake crest,
Left 4?
Left 4 over junction, and then left 4, 40, crest into left 5 short, into crest right 5 short, so crest right 5 short, into left 5 short, into right 6 short, 40, right 5 plus, into left 5 plus late up the hill, into right 4, and crest 70, and crest, and caution, right 4 tightens late, don't cut into left 4, right 4 tightens late, don't cut into left 4, into, so this is into left 4, into right 5 short, into crest, and left 5 downhill, and crest, 50, left 5 short over crest, into caution, right 4 tightens to 3 late, don't cut loose.
Get this coming around.
That's it. 100, left 4, don't cut long. And left 4 over long crest, into right 4 late over finish. So right 4 late over finish. That's it, he's off. Into crest left 3. That was really well driven.
Nice, that was fun.
That was way quicker than the last one.
Let's, yeah, I'll keep it at that level for a little bit.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, that's good fun. You mean we get to do this all day?